Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I'm working on my kitchen cabinet and, well, not my cabinet, but the drawer. So I have to replace a part on my drawer. I'm replacing the back mount bracket to my kitchen drawer, which mounts like this in the back wall of this drawer. So I had to go out and hunt for a replacement. I found the mounts. So now I gotta take this off. I'm gonna take this mount off the back wall. Let me pull you in here. So right there is the kitchen drawer mount, and you can see it's busted right there. This just collapsed fully. So I got to replace it with the new mount. So that's what I'm going to do now. I have to remove this, remove that back mount, reattach the bracket or the rail to the new back mount before I can attach it to the back wall. So that's what I'm going to do now. And what you're seeing right there is my fancy dancy camera holder. Yeah. So we're going to work through this. I'm not the best, but I will attempt. And the best thing would be for me to get my rechargeable drill, but that thing is not even, it's not even charged. So now I'm just unscrewing this thing. I'm sorry I can't pull you in here to show it to you, but this is the worst. This bracket is just mounted in the back with one screw. One screw was holding this whole thing up. You could see why it broke. I only had one screw in there. So now these brackets have a letter on the inside. Let me see if I can show it to you. There you go. R on this one, and you guessed it, there's an L on this one. So that means this goes on the left side of my cabinet and this one goes to the right. So now I have to do that. You guys, I had to take this thing to the store with me to make sure that they actually fit. So here's the new bracket. It's the left side rail mounting thing, and that's exactly how it should look. Okay? And now, oh, guys, I'm so sore right now. I just had a workout and my whole body is crying. Whew. Okay, now let's see. I might have to move you guys back a little. This is an awkward situation here. Let's see if I can reach it in. Yeah, they literally just nailed it and stuck some screws in this thing. This is so crazy. Wait a minute. It's gonna be a long day, guys. Are you serious? Okay, so the screws are even different. I mean, the holes on the mounting is different. Okay, guys, so I got the back mount put on there, and like I said, it is a very awkward position. So, the right side put in which is what I'm trying to get into right here. So we're gonna get this part off first, then we will put the new bracket on, and then I gotta put this on on the back wall, and it's very awkward. So I'll probably try to fast forward through this part. Okay, so bear with me. Real life right here. Mommy DIY for real. Okay, so putting it right back where it came out of, and my handy dandy screw. I'm gonna put this in here. And I'm not a lefty, so oh boy. So I just have to extend the mount, pushing it back towards the wall, but it's still attached. And like I said, I'm not a lefty. Oh my gosh. You guys. These are super easy things to do yourself, but you don't have the right tools. It gets really awkward, difficult position. So I did check my electric drill and it is not charged. So I have to use manual labor. And so there's that. Okay, put one more in. So they really just had one screw attached here and some staples, and I'm thinking that's why the dang thing broke, or just some really lazy carpentry. But I got an extra screw I found out in my garage, and that is what I'm using to mount my bracket. Oh, this is really hard. Doing this manually, guys, it sucks. Okay, guys, so there it is. It's all mounted. So like I said before, there was only one screw in there, and it was the top screw. I put the second screw in, and on this side it was the bottom screw, and I put the second screw in on the top. So you can see there, it's all in, it's sturdy, it's not going anywhere. And now I gotta put the drawer in. So see, I didn't do anything to the drawer. The rails are both on here. And what I'm going to do is slip it in. Oh, tilt it back. And then raise it up. And it should go in. Yay! And it's in. And I'm done. Thank you guys for joining me. Give this video a thumbs up because I am dead tired. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys. Bye.